Hey guys, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video. We've got a behind the scenes tour of Woods of Terror's new Baba Yaga house.
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortals. This is Brad and Faith with Team Living Dead Duo with the ScareFactor.com. We're in Greensboro, North Carolina tonight at the Woods of Terror haunted house. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh, there's a lot of hives. There's a guy on the wall. Oh! He's got a mushroom head. Oh, there's a lot of creepy crawlies. The big snake.
The hard wire where it's like pouring electrified acid directly into your brain. The things you may see will change your whole perspective of reality. It hurts so much.
Hello. Hi. How are you doing
Welcome to the mortuary. You know, if that hair is real red, I would make a pretty penny off of it. The doll makers have been wanting red so much this season.
Don't worry, yours is up next. It's swinging right around that.
Weave!
What you been doing in here?
Clean beans, tenderizing the
Oh,
meat.
yeah.
Now, don't mind the kicking. She only needs a bit more seasoning. Now, one moment while I check on my patient. All better. Sleeping soundly.
Bacons. Into the crypt you go. Yes, a dummy that you
Hey guys out here, didn't you hear the news? What? Myers came back to Haddonfield. No one should be out here trick-or-treating. It's not safe, okay?
Okay. We'll be careful.
Get to the next
Oh! Oh no! Oh!
Yeah.
You look like you've got a fight to share. Stand lively now! Stars the gallows!
You know what we do with little numbers like you? Turn the curious life.
Somewhere the magic balls we got all
May you sacrifice on me, you crew. Your ears clearly don't work because you're not answering me. To Calypso with all.
Hello, lovely.
How are you?
You come here often?
No, this is my first time.
Well, might be our last.
I'll wring your neck like a chicken. Uh-oh.
Hello.
Hi.
So where's your pickaxe at, huh? You just
we
think you
just
can
bring
come
it
in here and work for me without one?
I thought I could use my claws.
Oh, no, you can't do that. You don't have any claws. You're not a monster. Get in there.
¿Qué estás haciendo? Órale a trabajar, no oiga.
Texas house. I think that hog's rabbit.
Come right on right. Please, you don't mind much. Hush your mouth.
Oh, Playboy Top, we're having that night. Yeah.
Hi, what you cooking? World Night Deer Ball Soup. Everybody's welcome.
Big man, you wait all night.
Come on, yes, he's What is that? Oh.
It's his heart.
It's his heart.
Fight it.
Ooh.
You end up like her. I can let you go.
Right, that was our walkthrough of Woods of Terror Haunted House. Let us know what you thought. Now let's go check out the new Baba Yaga house behind the scenes. Now this haunt wasn't open during the walkthrough, that's why you didn't get to see the full live show. But by the time you're seeing this video, it should now be open to the public, so make sure you check out Woods of Terror to see the full show in person.
Reading miracles just to get to this.
Yeah.
So it's been fun. So when people say how high are you, we're 20 feet. We're above everything. Pick me up on that. So this is the entrance to Baba Yaga. This is where the original Baba Yaga, one of our actors, is going to be. We wanted to make it look very tree, like the trees came up and took over her house. And that's what she used to make her home. So we'll have a scare spot. We have a lot of birds that move around here, and this is the start of the bird. So there'll be a bird that'll jump out here, and then you walk into the actual bird cage itself.
Oh,
And
wow.
So in here we have a bird lady. Her wings go out. It's kind of a devilish, more Batwoman style bird.
Yeah.
We have some cards that are going to come out here, some voodoo cards. Obviously, this will be, we have an actor in here that's reading people's tarot cards to them, where they trap the children
getting the children ready for killing the children. And of course, we have them all over the place.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so good.
Yeah.
So
Giant
we have
skeleton.
a giant 7-foot pentagram that goes right here. Lights up. It's awesome. And a couple more demonic big skeletons that'll go in here. We're really making this more of a very, very seance-y kind of. We're going more to the more satanic witch look. And then of course this is our big Wendigo creature that will come out and get people.
Oh, nice.
So it's a pretty cool thing. The person gets to walk with them. So pretty cool. Wendigo.
So you just have an actor behind here operating?
The actor controls that, and it's a Gore Galore product. It's they do a great job over there and made the Wendigo for us. We really appreciate their work. And it's an actual human-ran animatronic. There's a camera here so that the actor can see what they're doing.
Yeah.
Because when
okay.
they're behind it, they can't see.
Yeah.
All right, folks, if you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure you check out Faith and Brad's video of Terror Manor up in Roanoke, Virginia. We've got a link for you right here, so we'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.